Hi, Skip here for Rockstar Sealing, the professional's choice in sealing systems. As a stone restoration professional whose business is in Southern California, this is a go-to product for me. Why? Because I want to use products that are the most efficient and effective, leaving my clients with the best possible experience. Liftoff is a product that I use for limescale removal, cement haze, grout haze, efflorescence, in areas such as outdoor hardscapes where you've got over-irrigation, planting pots that have lots of water that then lead to the creation of efflorescence and limescale, pool decks, etc., right? Here's where you don't want to use this product. You don't want to use it on polished surfaces and acidic sensitive substrates such as marble. How do you use this? Well, it's designed, it is an acid, so you need to put your personal protective equipment on. That's safety glasses and gloves, whether you're a do-it-yourselfer who feels, you know what, I can handle this, and you, by the way, you can, or if you're in the trades. Absolutely great product. Properly dilute, apply to the area that you need to remove the cement slurry, the grout haze, prior to finishing off that floor or surface, whether it's a countertop. Again, acid-sensitive stones, you don't want to use it, such as marble. Use this in its proper dilution. Less is more. Apply, let it sit 3 to 5 minutes, and then gradually start to agitate with a soft nylon brush, and then remove all the slurry. Once you've gotten the haze removed, be patient because it takes a little bit of time and it may take a few applications. Let the product do its work for you. Don't get overly aggressive in trying to agitate and remove. At that point in time, rinse, 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 dry everything up and let it dry, and then properly seal the substrate that you're working on, whether it's concrete or some other type of stone, with an appropriate Rockstar sealing product, and you will minimize the amount of maintenance and or removal that you'll be faced with. To learn more about this product, visit rockstarsealing.com for ordering information.